Hello guys. So in this video let's continue the creation of Power BI visuals that we left off. So till now we have created this heading which is e-commerce sales dashboard, payment mode using donut chart, this using let's say stat column chart and this using stacked bar chart. Now let's create another visual which is this categories. So I will simply copy paste this visual. So I will simply click Ctrl C and Ctrl V to copy paste it, and I will just drag it here for now. After that I will simply change the option. So payment mode was not there in this visual. I want to show the categories, so I will simply select the category, and as you can see and sum of quantity, so it's automatically appeared. And I just want to change the title from payment mode to categories. So category is done. So let's simply place the visual to its correct position. So I will simply click on this visual. Just check there 230, 295, 390, 485. The height will be same according to me. 230 to 94, 230 to 95. Okay, 390, 485. So 295 and 390. And what is the next? 485. So I will simply place it on its correct position. Now I will show you the another way to just copy paste the visual. So what can I do is that I can simply go to this visual, just select this visual, press Ctrl C, open our report view and just type Ctrl V. So this will simply copy paste the visual from one report to another report. And this is one of the easiest way that we can do. And I just wanted to let you know that this way can be also helpful. So for now, let's do the same for other visual also. And in this customer, what I have did is that I have simply chosen customer name and sum of amount. And in the filter section, I have added the condition as I want only 5 customers by sum of amount. Let's means the name of customers was spending the most. So that's it. And now let's move ahead by copy pasting this, which is top state. So I will simply click copy, come here and click here and just type paste. So these are the top states based on sum of profit. So the top state which is given is profit is Madhya Pradesh of 7.4k. Next is Maharashtra of 7k, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat and so on. So this is top state, top customers payment mode. And if you want to copy paste more than one visuals, just press the control button and select the visuals by this. So I have selected 4 button and the control button is still placed. I will simply press C, means control plus C, copy, go to new visual and click on the blank area of this view and just control V. So as you can see, this is not done because I have calculated this manually. So to do this, what can I do is that I will just go to this table view, go to details table here, simply add new column, and the column name should be AOV, which is average of value. So I will simply select here amount and simply divide it by quantity to select average of quantity and hit enter, and this will show the average of value. So 68 by 75, but we don't want the decimal. So let's change this to normal whole number. So this is what I have done. So this is AOV. Now let's move back here and just as you can see the it is automatically updated. Just this. Now let's explore about this 4 visuals, which is card visuals. So card visual simply helps to display the data. So in visualization pane it is available here. Where is it? This is card visual 1 2 3. So if I just click here, this type of visual appears, and if I want to see the total profit, it will simply show me the total profit. If I want to see the total quantity, it will simply show me the sum of quantity. If you want to see the subcategories, it will show the accessory, means the first subcategory is not sum, the amount it will show. So this is the use of this card builder to show only symbol value. So that's it for this video, and a report is almost ready. Just last part is remaining. which is most important, which is quarter, and which is adding filters to the table. So this we can be doing in the next video. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching this video.